Hello everybody, and UnHealthyFilms here, and today we're gonna take a look into wireless redstone, just using simple items as a empty book, fishing rod, and an empty map. So if I just get my speedy boots on so I can go a bit faster. So there we go. So it's actually pretty simple. I'm just gonna give you a demonstration of each. So the written book, as you can see maybe on the name, puddle sound. Just show you like this, puddle sound. So when I use this, just it's random shit. Why can't I write in it? Why can't I write? Sorry. I don't know why I can't write. Whatever. Change page. Oh, now it go. Now it works. That's weird. But then the sign and the blah blah blah. Bang! And now you can hear the puddle sound. Yeah. So that all that does just play the puddle sound. I didn't know what I should do with this one, but each time it just plays the puddle sound. This one only works in when it's when you're in survival. So that's the downside with this one. And the downside with this one is because I love books. I think books is a really cool thing in Minecraft. So I don't really want to delete them from my inventory to use it as a wireless redstone. So that's just why I don't like that but as much. So just do this, bam, and boom, it's now light. When I do it again, bam, it's day. So that's just a simple other one. And my favorite one is the map, because I never use this maps and to any of my creations. And I hate to change game mode, do like /G tab and then the game mode. I don't want to do that each time. I can just go over to this map and then right click, and bam, it changes the game mode for me. So that's really nifty. So let's go from the bad one to the best one. This is the book one to play the puddle sound. Bam. So it's pretty simple. First off, you got a hopper clock. These two hoppers is facing into each other. Then they're just a single item inside, and that's constantly making a signal to this command block. This command block tries to clear me from a written book. A written book, that's of course when I've this kind of this is a writeable book, or that's what it's called in text. So if I just do this, now it's a written book. Right now it's just called puddle sound because I've named it that, but it's actually the name ID is written book. So if we just turn the system on again, bam, stop that stupid sound. So that's so just tries to clear my inventory from written books. You can also do it in multiple people or players, but then the effect or whatever you do, you can't really specify the system to only do it to that player who used the written book or whatever, the fishing rod or the map. Only if you do something with teams and multiple of these systems. But when this has cleared a written book out of my inventory, it sees, oh, I've done the command, let's output a redstone signal. So it outputs a redstone signal to this command block that plays the puddle sound to all players, and then it gives me a new then it uses this command give Rasmus or all players writeable book only 1 and damage value of 0, and then it's got a data tag on or got a tag with display or curly bracket display colon curly bracket name colon I don't remember what that was called, and then just the name not on it, puddle sound, that again, and 2 curly brackets to end it off. So yeah, so this is just called puddle sound. So let's move on to the fishing rod. Okay, the fishing rod. This one is a little little bit more advanced because it uses two different commands each time you use it. Changes between night and day, but it's not that much more advanced than the book one. So it's again a hopper clock, and this tries to clear me again from a fishing rod, but with a data or damage value of 2. We can actually just yeah whatever. So it tries to clear a fishing rod with a damage value of 2. So if we just look at this, it says night and day, nothing more. So if we just turn this off, the data value, that's how much durability the fishing rod has lost. As you can see now, it has lost 2 durability, and that's the data or damage value. So it lost 2 durability to that damage value. So when it sees, oh, this fishing rod, he has only has 2 in damage value, it says, okay, let's clear it and output a redstone signal. So let's do that. Bam. So what it then does, as you saw, the piston goes up here. Then it gives me a new fishing rod with the same command, blah blah blah, 1, and a damage value of 0, not 2, or it will go in a loop. And then displays the name as night and day. Then it goes into this piston that makes a 1-tick pulse to this piston. Then it's like a T flip-flop of a kind. I don't know what you call this kind of T flip-flop, but moving the redstone block forth and back. Let's just try. They're a bit derpy to do the durability thing. Come on, come on! Why won't you lose durability? I hate this. There we go. So as you can see, it just retracts the piston or the redstone block, and pushes it over. So these commands is pretty simple. Clears the weather, because when I was building this one, it started to rain. It's like, I hate when it's raining. So why not just get some clear weather or weather clear commands in there, and then just changing the time. Could just write the day and night, but it's precise night and precise day when you use it. So the sun is just over you. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much all there's to the fishing rod. So now to the best one of mine, or the most favorite of mine, that is the map. So now to the map. So let's just get over there, getting my boots on. There we go. Ouch. Just get the boots off again. Ouch. So here's the mechanics for the map. Why it's under here, that's because I don't want it visible, and I use it a lot, so why not just hide it. So it's really simple as the other ones. I've tried to compact it a bit more so it looks a bit more derpy, but whatever. The glowstone isn't needed, just to let you know. So it's again a hopper clock, then test for a map. I've just used the ID for this one. So yeah, this map was actually, this world was created before you could use the names. So it just tests for I got a map. When it sees I got a map, it's gonna send a signal to one more monostable circuit, or whatever you call it, that makes a 1-tick pulse. It gives a new map, or an empty map, with just one with a data or a damage value on 0, and then it displays the name as game mode. And then it goes over to one of these T flip-flop kind of circuits again, that changes between game mode 0 and game mode 1. And this command block over here gives me saturation for 2 seconds on power 100, and that's because I hate to go into survival and see that my hunger bar is only at 3. So it's pretty cool. It just fills my hunger bar up every time. I love that. So yeah, that's actually just really simple how it works. That's all there's to it. So I hope you could use you can use this for something. I definitely use this all the time when I'm going around changing game mode, when I need to test things in game mode. or not in different game modes. So I think the map one is really useful, and I hope you think it's too. So yeah. What more is there to say then? Thanks for watching.